Well, I thought I'd do a real quick demonstration on how these keyless starts work on these Ford Escapes, or probably most any of the Fords. Maybe you're thinking about buying one and just want to see how this actually works before you do, so let me quickly show you how. Okay, what you want to do is just get in your car, and with your key fob in your possession, it can be in your pocket, it can be in your purse, just long as you got it with you. All you got to do, first you got to put your foot on the brake, and all you got to do is push and hold that button right there that says engine start stop. And that's all there is to starting it. To kill your engine, all you got to do is just push the button. Your foot does not have to be on the brake, so just push the button, engine stops. Well, I know that was real simple, but I hope it helped you out if you're thinking about buying one of these with this keyless start. It's very, very easy. So if this helped you out, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, catch you later.